Hello guys, welcome back again to Sami Photography. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to soften skin or soften retouching without using frequency separation. And you can see I have already made this photo, or I have already edited this photo. You can see this is the before and this is the after, and I didn't use any frequency separation while editing this photo. So stick around as I take you process by process how to edit it using this new technique. So stick around, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel so that you see more videos like this. So firstly, I'm going to remove this group which I made, so I'm going to drag it to the recycle. So as you can see, we have our image not edited, so I'm going to show you how it works. And most raw photographers don't know how to use this technique, and it's very powerful. So firstly, I'm going to make a copy layer of this background layer. So I'm going to drag this to this plus icon. I will rename this layer remove blemishes. Remove blemishes. So I will come and make a black and white layer or adjustment layer, and I will drag these reds at around 13%, and I will come back again to adjustment layer. So I will look for curves, I will drag the shadows area. So after that, come and make a new layer by pressing this remove blemishes layer we made. So come and press this plus icon or create a new layer above this remove blemishes layer. So I will come and get our healing brush tool. So make sure that current and below layer is selected, and make sure that the source is sampled. Make sure that the hardness is at 0%, and make sure that the hardness is at 0%. So come start sampling the area which has no or which is clean. So start healing these blemishes with new layer. As you can see, you just sample in the clean area, then you replace the pimple with this skin area. And here I will be quick, so I will show you when I'm done with it. So after removing those blemishes, come and drag this layer, curve and background and black and white layer, and delete them. So you can see our before and after. You can see our before and after. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss videos like this. And if you want to do any video about Photoshop, just put it in the comment section. I will do it for you. So you can see our before and after, our before and after. So we are going to press Ctrl Alt Shift E to make this new layer or this emerged layer. So after that, come and change the blending mode to around to vivid light. So after that, we are going to invert this layer by pressing Ctrl I, and we are going to right click and then convert this layer into a smart object. So after converting this layer, we are going to come to filter, then come to others, then high pass. Then we are going to select the radius which is suitable for this image. You have to select a layer which can give you pure details. You can see this one is a very good one. I think let us use 6.8. I think it's good. After that, press OK and come back to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur. So select the radius which is suitable for our image. I will use the radius of 2 pixels. So after that, come and press OK. Then we are going to make a mask around this layer so that you brush it very well and you see the details. So after that, come and make a mask, then press Ctrl I to invert our image. So after that, come and get the brush. Make sure that it's a soft round brush, and make sure the flow is at around, I think 15 is far better. So after that, make sure the fur background is black, white and black. So after that, come and start brushing to the model's face. after brushing, you can see our before and then after. This is our before and then after. So after brushing, come and make a new layer by pressing Ctrl Shift Alt E to make a copy of these layers. So come to filter and then camera raw filter. So come down to texture, then play around with the texture. I think 32 is good. 34. Then after that, play around with the clarity also. I think clarity is also good. So after that, don't stop there. Scroll down to details. Sharpen our image a little bit. Around 30. Then play around with the noise reduction. So after that, come and increase the color noise reduction. I think 6 is good. So after that, come to gain. And play around with the gain or grain, sorry, it's grain. Make sure that you get the radius which will fit our model skin. So here you can see the before, then and after, the before and then after. So after that, press OK. So here you can see our before and after. You can see our before and after. So after that, come and make a group by pressing them, by copying them, then make a new group. So after that, you can see our before and after, our before and after. You can see our model skin is softened very well. So you can see the before then after. Remember, we have not used frequency separation. And this is for today. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like our video so that YouTube pushes it to so many people. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.